India is rich in mineral resources, which play a crucial role in its economy. The country has a diverse range of minerals, which are essential for various industries, including construction, manufacturing, and energy. Here's a detailed overview of the major minerals found in India. 1. Coal. India has significant coal reserves, primarily located in the eastern and central regions, including Jharkhand, Chhattisgarh, Odisha, and Madhya Pradesh. Coal is the primary source of energy for electricity generation and is also used in steel production and other industrial processes. 2. Iron ore. Major iron ore deposits are found in the states of Odisha, Chhattisgarh, Karnataka, Goa, and Jharkhand. Iron ore is crucial for steel production, which is a fundamental component of infrastructure and manufacturing. 3. Bauxite. Bauxite deposits are found mainly in the states of Odisha, Chhattisgarh, Gujarat, Maharashtra, and Jharkhand. Bauxite is the primary ore of aluminum used in various industries, including packaging, aerospace, and construction. 4. Copper. Major copper reserves are located in Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, Jharkhand, and Maharashtra. Copper is used in electrical wiring, plumbing, and as a component in various alloys. 5. Manganese. Manganese deposits are found in Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh, Odisha, and Karnataka. Manganese is essential for steel production and is also used in batteries and other alloys. 6. Zinc. Major zinc deposits are found in Rajasthan and Andhra Pradesh. Zinc is used for galvanizing steel, in alloys like brass, and in batteries. 7. Lead. Lead deposits are mainly found in Rajasthan. Lead is used in batteries, radiation shielding, and various other industrial applications. 8. Limestone. Significant limestone deposits are found in Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, Gujarat, Andhra Pradesh, and Tamil Nadu. Limestone is essential for cement production, construction, and as a flux in the steel industry. 9. Gypsum. Major gypsum deposits are located in Rajasthan, Gujarat, and Jammu and Kashmir. Gypsum is primarily used in the production of cement and plaster. Salt. Major salt-producing areas are located in Gujarat, particularly the Rann of Kutch and Rajasthan. Salt is used in a variety of industries, including food processing, chemical production, and de-icing roads. 11. Graphite. Significant graphite deposits are found in Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, and Jharkhand. Graphite is used in lubricants, batteries, and as a refractory material in steel production. 12. Rare earth elements. Some rare earth minerals are found in states like Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka, and Gujarat. Rare earth elements are critical for electronics, magnets, and various high-tech applications. Challenges. Mining operations can lead to environmental degradation, including deforestation, soil erosion, and water pollution. Ensuring sustainable mining practices and managing the regulatory framework can be challenging. Efficient transportation and logistics are crucial for the mining industry, especially in remote areas. India's mineral resources are integral to its economic growth, but balancing resource extraction with environmental sustainability and equitable development remains a key challenge.